Oh my god, it's really steep. It's pretty high, but I'm not sure for the... Whoa! So I've been planning to go to this place to fly my drone. So this place is called Frog Hill. Let me show you a bit. It's previously a mining site. So now after it's been abandoned, it turned out to have some kind of lake, you know, some kind of man-made lake. So I think it's a good spot to, you know, to explore and to fly my drone there. Everything's good. But first, I'm going to Bukit Mertajam to tap out some dinner. So I really miss the abeng char kway kang there, man. It tastes so good. Alright, got my dinner. Well, actually, I asked for the seafood one, but they don't actually have seafood today. So I only go for the cockles one with cockles. Yeah, so now it's time to go to Frog Hill. Guys, I think I've reached, but the road is so narrow, but look at here. Yeah, I think this is the place. The old mining site. See? So this is the Frog Hill. I mean, this is the abandoned mining site. As you can see, it has become a man-made lake. And so it looks beautiful here, you see? Yeah, see? You can see far away. Yeah, I believe this is the Frog Hill. So what I'm gonna do now to keep driving forward, because actually the GPS mentioned I still need to go for like another 500 meters. So maybe I can find somewhere to park and I'll go explore the hill. Alright, so I just found a parking here, and now I'm just gonna go and climb the Frog Hill. Yeah, climb to the top to see the scenery. Let's begin. It's pretty nice. Let's keep going. That's my car. Looks so small from above. This is a pretty rare sight. Come, let me show you. Buffalo, man. Can't believe I can find buffalo in here. I mean, yeah, maybe I stay in city for too long. Even surprised by just like buffalo. See, found some people exploring this site. I mean, I think they are swimming here. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I can't believe we have this kind of scenery near my home. It's Frog Hill near Kubang Semang. So now I have two choices. There's actually two here. Like two, the top highest point. One is here, another one is here. Real color. So let's go for it. Yeah. Oh man, that looks steep. I gotta be careful. Oh my god, it's really steep. I mean, guys, have a look. Oh my god. Looks pretty high, but I'm not sure for how high is it for you. Alright, so now I'm at the highest point. As you can see, I'm the tallest here. Yeah, even that peak is still a little bit lower. So I'm at the highest point. I'm gonna try to fly my drone now. 4th time. Wish me luck. Yeah, pray for me. Don't crash the drone again. So this is my DJI. Alright, time for the real test. I'm gonna fly it with, yeah, the DJI, I don't know, the remote control. So this one I can go fly around. Okay. Last time I crashed my drone where I did return. So let's try that. It wasn't crashed this time, please, because it's low battery. Yeah, so this. Yay! Nice. Come back to Papa. So mission success. So I didn't crash my drone, came back safely. Yeah, but too bad. I mean, the battery is not enough because I didn't charge it before I come out. I didn't touch the drone like 3 or 4 months, so maybe the battery drain or something. But anyway, I mean, I'm just gonna chill here and enjoy the view a bit before I go back. Alright, so I'm back to the ground. I mean, I'm back from the hill. So I'm still at the Frog Hill, I mean the base of Frog Hills. And some job came in, so I'm just gonna set up my mobile office and just gonna do some job. And this is my mobile office. See, good view. What a way to do work. This is, yeah. So this is the perks of remote work. This is the reason why everyone want to do remote work. This is my full setup. I have a tablet as a secondary monitor, so I use something like a Space Dash to convert this tablet into a secondary monitor. So you use it as a second screen. Then main laptop, and see, so good. It's pretty comfortable because you see, I can use this handrest. I can just pull it down and use this as a handrest. See, I have a handrest here. So yeah. Good. Let's work. Alright, time is almost up. I almost need to go home now. Yeah, so a review for this place. So this place is Frog Hill. It's a pretty remote place in Penang, Malaysia. But it's definitely worth it. I believe people give it the name Jiuzhaigou of Penang. The Jiuzhaigou is a famous place in China. Yeah, it's a famous spot, very beautiful. In my opinion, yeah, it's pretty good. I believe it's pretty beautiful. So one last view of this place before I go back. See you guys.